Today, I will tell you how you can convert people's videos to HD quality very easily in just one click. When you open Play Store, search for the app Wink and install it. I will tell you one thing, this app is not available in India, so if you live in India, please download it from any website from Chrome. If you can open it, then something like this interface will appear in front of everyone here. The first option that you will see here is Quality Restoration. Click on it and select HD, because if you select Ultra HD, you will have to pay for it. After clicking on HD, select Try Now and select a video. Our video has started repairing. When you swipe, you can see the difference between the before and after. Before, you can see that the video is blurry, but it becomes clear after repair. Now click on Save and then continue to save your video. If you want to know how to convert your photos into Ultra HD, click on the video on the screen and I'll see you there.